Hi guys! Guess what I brought? One of your most favorite books ever. So be ready because I'm going to need your help. You get to interact today. All right, so I hope you're all ready for bed. Teeth brushed, jammies on. Because we are going to read Don't Push the Button. Remember how this one works? All right. Don't Push the Button, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Okay. My name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. There's Larry. And do not push the button. That's Larry's rule. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty tempting though, pretty nice. I wonder what might happen if you push the button. No. We mustn't push the button. Psst. Shh. Nobody's looking. You should give the button one little push. Are you ready to push it? Just a little one. Oh no! Now I'm yellow. Ah! Push the button again. Ah! Now I'm pink and yellow polka dots. Quick! Push it twice. Oh my goodness, there's two of me. Push the button a bunch of times. Push. Uh-oh. Now look at how many there are. Shake it to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Are you shaking? Shake it. Shake. We gotta get rid of all the Larrys. Almost. We almost got them all. Shake just a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Are you ready to scratch Larry's tummy? Scratch him! Just a little tickle. Let's see if it worked. That tickles. Okay, that's much better. But whatever you do not push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I know, like you, this is one of my very favorite books to read to you guys. I hope you enjoyed tonight's story. I love you and I hope you guys are doing well. Stay busy, stay happy. Give me a shout. Say hello. I miss you all so much. Love you guys. Good night.